It's time for Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather, brought to you by Command Family Medicine, Heating and Air Paramedics, and Taylor Grubaugh Chevrolet. Here's your host, meteorologist Abby Dyer.
Good morning, everybody. We are talking about temperatures this morning, starting off right around 70 degrees. So it is comfortable out there this morning, at least. And we've got numbers that are likely going to climb up into the upper 80s. So another hot one. Couple of stray showers and thunderstorms are possible this morning, but the chance for strong storms returns in the forecast today. And I think that better chance is going to happen in the second half of our Tuesday. We're looking at high temperatures today around 87. It comes with some humidity as well. So numbers are going to feel warmer than they actually are. A few strong thunderstorms are in the forecast today, and the risks here are really going to be for some heavy downpours as well as the potential for super gusty winds across the Ozarks. Temperatures starting out near 70 this morning. It is a comfortable start, about 20% chance for a little stray shower early this morning. I expect that most stay dry through the lunch hour, though, and high temperatures in Springfield will warm to 87. It'll feel more like 90 degrees. We have a frontal boundary in the area once again, and we are talking about the opportunity for afternoon showers and thunderstorms. I really think some of these are going to get going on the radar as we head closer to 1 or 2 p.m. Rain, not a guarantee today, but if you get underneath one of these showers, I am expecting a little bit of severe weather. I told you earlier, the risks here include heavy rain, also some very strong winds. Winds could gust to 50 miles an hour in some of these storms, so it's something to be aware of. I expect clusters of showers and thunderstorms to dot the radar this afternoon and evening. A few strong ones will be possible. That localized heavy rainfall could be an issue, bringing isolated flooding to the region. So be weather aware on this Tuesday. I am expecting for a few storms to be on the strong side. Heat and humidity then build through the week. In fact, when we look at the extended outlook, I've got temperatures back into the 90s as we head into later parts of the week and get closer to the weekend. Overall this week too, what I'm talking about is a very summer-like pattern in the region. So we should see conditions that are likely going to be hot and humid all week long. We'll see high temperatures that climb to near 90 degrees for Thursday and Friday. And this will come along with some opportunities for showers and thunderstorms each day. Now, I think the day with the least rain activity in the forecast is likely going to be on Thursday. It's about a 50% shot every other day in the forecast. We've got numbers that will likely be topping out in the upper 80s and low 90s all the way through the weekend, and we'll hold on to an isolated rain chance as we head into the weekend as well. What's making headlines around the country, of course, I'm sure you heard about additional flooding happening in central Texas yesterday. Today, the heavy rainfall from post-tropical storm Chantal, well, it's going for southern New England coast today, getting soaked early this morning. We also see strong to severe thunderstorms overnight for the central high plains and heat and humidity that's affecting much of the East Coast for the next few days. And heat is also going to intensify across the Northwest and the desert Southwest. So much of the country feeling the burn as we are now in the middle of summertime. All right, it's time for the Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather Brain Twister trivia question for the day. And the question that I gave you, which famous person was born on July 6th of 1907? The options were A, Frida Kahlo, B, Albert Einstein, C, Marilyn Monroe, or D, Elvis Presley. Well, if you chose A, Frida Kahlo, you would be correct. Frida Kahlo died July 13th in 1954. Of course, she was the Mexican painter, best known for her uncompromising and brilliantly colored self-portraits. So now you know. Congrats if A, Frida Kahlo was your guess. All right, here's a quiz question for you for tomorrow. What is the birthstone for the month of July? Do you think it is A, the sapphire, B, the ruby, C, the emerald, or D, amethyst? No Googling, that takes all the fun out of it, but let me know your guess. You can enter the contest at aroundtheozarks.com. Thanks so much for listening to Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather this morning. And I appreciate you listening. Thanks to our sponsors, also Command Family Medicine, Heating and Air Paramedics, and Taylor Grubaugh Chevrolet. Have a great day. Bring an umbrella. make sure you have a way to get your watches and warnings today. A couple severe thunderstorms possible in the Ozarks starting around 1 p.m., lasting through the afternoon and early evening hours. We'll chat again early tomorrow.